What's up, everybody? Dr. Courtney from Smile Pop here in New York City. Your New York City Invisalign and teeth whitening specialist. Did I just give myself that nickname? Yes. Does it sound pretty good? Yes. Is it sticking? Hopefully. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be talking about what a refinement is. What is a refinement? Why do we need them? How many do I get? Are there other things that I need to know about refinements? Yeah, we're going to discuss it here, so stay tuned. Whenever you start your Invisalign journey, in the beginning, your doctor will typically treatment plan one long set of aligners. That could be 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, even 50 aligners a time, believe it or not. They will treatment plan a whole round of aligners, and when you are through that set, then you get scanned for what's called a refinement. And a refinement is where your doctor then treatment plans an additional round or an additional series of aligners that you will wear, again, as directed and prescribed to continue to move the teeth where we want them to go. Why do people typically need a refinement? Well, when you treatment plan and the patient wears the aligners, again, we are shooting for those teeth to start off from here and move all the way up here. Some teeth are total a-holes and they will go from here to here or from here to here. In an ideal world, your teeth are moving from the starting point here all the way to the finish line in one round of aligners. Realistically, does that happen? No, because biology, wear time, patient compliance, stubborn teeth, Mercury in retrograde, all these factors. So in an ideal world, the teeth start here, and after one round of aligners, they move all the way to the finish line and across the finish line. Again, that realistically does not happen. And so what we do is we do something called the doctor then rescans your teeth, takes new progress photos, and basically retreatment plans another series or round of aligners that you'll wear to continue to detail and get your teeth to that ideal finish line. Now, a lot of comments I get from patients is when they come to pick up their refinement and they get the new trays, they're like, oh, these aren't tight, these don't fit, these aren't tight. There's a reason why they're not tight. One, they were made off of the scan of your teeth, so it actually is a representation of your current exact position of your teeth. Why the first tray of the refinement might fit a little bit better than the last tray of your first round is because the last tray of your first round was basically an estimate of where your teeth need to move. So again, the last tray of your first round of aligners expected your teeth to be here. But if your teeth only moved this well, this tray is gonna fit a little tight and tighter than ideal because it doesn't quite fit 100% the way that we want. So when you come to pick up your refinement, and you put that first tray on of the refinement, you're gonna be like, this isn't tight, this isn't working. It's still working, it's still made on your scan. It is actually an ideal fit relative to the last tray of the first set because again, it was made off of the current position of your teeth that was picked up on the scan. Another reason why you may feel that the first tray of your refinement doesn't quite fit is because when we scan you with your existing attachments on your teeth. So again, the new trays are gonna be made to fit over all of the teeth in their current position as well as the attachment. So when you go to put the trays on, you're not gonna feel as much pressure as you did from the very, very first tray of your Invisalign. And you're not even gonna feel as much pressure as you did from the last tray of your Invisalign. I know this is very confusing, but this is a very common topic that comes up. One, what are refinements? And two, why does the first tray of my refinement not really feel as tight as my most recent tray that I was in? And again, because that's made from the current scan of your teeth. In an ideal world, your teeth move to the final position that we want in as little number of refinements as possible. Again, at Smile Pop, we typically cap that at about 4 refinements. If you can't get there in 4 refinements, something's going on. I'm not gonna point any fingers, but well, everybody, that's it. That is what a refinement is. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, please comment below. And as I like to tell everyone, go on and share your smile with the world.